Oh my god.
First we want to take the juicing bowl and we want to sit it down like so. We want to then rotate it clockwise. Next we want to take the auger. We want to set it down in the center. Just gently push down. Next we want to take the lid, place it on like so. Again, turn clockwise and you'll hear that click.
Juice and less pulp compared to any other juicer, and we're not kidding. When I say any other juicer, I'm referring to our main competitors, Huron and Kuvings. We get better yield and get some more juice and less pulp in those juicers, and in some cases significantly more juice or significantly less pulp.
Pretty much a large tablespoon full of pulp.
Even when we tasted the juice, you can see Francois, the general manager's reaction. It's all authentic, we've got nothing to hide. You can test this for yourself.
So much more quiet than you put something in and it will take it down for you. Like, I don't even have to push that.
And when people ask me for the mission is to make people happy.
Always know if the juice is worth the squeeze.